And welcome back to another episode of Co-Operatives, where we've got Ben being a baby little deer out in the middle of the desert, chasing around warthogs, running and jumping and doing stuff. Being a deer, being a baby rabbit, being a whatever the hell else he was.
Otter.
Beaver?
Otter.
Beaver?
Fine, we'll fight, bitch.
See? Yeah, look at that. You fought him.
Oh, wait. I feel like I need you to come this way, but I don't know why. I really don't know why.
Maybe you never will.
No, this game's getting dumb. As if I wasn't already frustrated with it before. I know it's
I mean, I played this game and I had a great time.
I just like a little bit more engagement from my games, a little bit more of what to do. Like, I don't need to be spoon-fed shit, but I don't... This is like...
I mean, you got mad when the game told you to jump off the cliff.
What?
Because the deer told you twice.
I got mad that, yeah, the deer told me twice. That was, yeah. That was like spoon-feeding. Like, hey, make sure you don't forget. It's like, no, I didn't. I'm still running to the right, trying to find fucking... Wait, did it? Baby? Yeah. Okay. Stay. Down. Stay. There you go.
It's a good baby.
What?
Grass. No?
Non-edible. None of it. There.
Okay.
That's
That's
edible.
plants, but there was grass back there you could have eaten too.
Nope.
Yep.
I will prove it to you. Just to beat this?
No. Further back.
That?
Further back.
This? That?
Further back. Yep.
This?
Yes.
Except for you can't!
You'd have been fine.
I told you, you can't eat it.
Yeah.
Why do I keep listening to you? Alright. Time to do more boring stuff. You are the same deer.
Yep.
God, I hate you. I hope this fire catches up and kills you. I wish I was a human again. No, I don't. I mean, I do enjoy being a deer, but... I want to eat that tree. Porcupine.
Just a fun game.
What is fun about this?
Being a deer!
This is not like the equivalent of what it's like to be a deer.
It is. You just run around, you eat stuff, you fuck things, you have fun.
I mean, yeah, arguably the fucking of a... Oh my god! Oh! Give me something to work with other than fucking this person's brains out!
Well, I assume it's a different deer every time.
Yeah, I assume so too.
Family Man.
Yeah, okay, because I like to inseminate shit. It's the only thing that seems to give me any sort of...
Fulfillment?
Yeah.
Some people just don't know how to have fun.
I have fun killing these humans.
Not to kill your dear friend. Oh.
I wish my friend would get the fuck out of the way. If that my friend dies, it's on them.
Fail.
Oh! This game sucks!
So much fun.
This game sucks!
It's a fun game.
I will never pick this up again after this.
If you liked this game, please like, share, and subscribe, and tell Ben how wrong he is.
This game sucks. Oh.
Oh, man. Fourth episode. Ben has a little bit of a breakdown. There's two now. He's nothing but a baby.
Yep, I'm gonna die. And that's cool. Because this game sucks!
You could have run away from them.
I could have. But if you don't remember, about an episode or so ago, I said death to humans. Yeah, I'm back, Mom. What of it? I bet you don't stay at low health.
Nope.
Let's go. Yeah. There goes one. There goes two. Suck my dick. Oh, I want to fuck you.
God.
I got all that blood on me. I just got all that testosterone going. Just feel like
I guess she's
whispering.
ready for you.
Yeah, she's ready for me to grow up, for me to fuck her.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, no! I was gonna fuck that bitch.
Man. Your girlfriend's a lucky lady. Hey, look, it's a new place.
I'm in a goddamn jungle now?
Yep.
What the fuck is this game?
Dear God.
Yeah, as in, dear God, I want to put this game away.
Careful, those frogs hurt you.
Yeah, it looks like it. Fucking hate this game.
Pine cones.
Can I fuck you yet? No? Okay.
You're about halfway there. Hey, look, it's another statue.
Oh, God, yeah. Oh, God, this is the second one I found out of 10.
Yep.
Oh.
You're almost there.
Oh, yeah, I'm totally almost there.
You got this. I believe in you.
Okay. Can I stand on you? Okay.
You gotta release the other waterfall, too.
Oh. Except for...
I'm pretty sure there's a way to break those stones. I don't know how you need to go about it, but...
Yeah, I got nothing, dude. Unless I do this.
Nah, it's not using another stone. It's... should be like an ability you have. Dear God. How to break stones.
Oh my God.
Okay, yeah. You should probably just keep going and eating food. You'll come back here.
Growing up... Hey, I don't want to fight you. I just want what was in the bush. Die, bitch. What are these things? Are they just bushes? More food is needed.
Can you double tap X to dash, or...
Yeah, no, nothing happens when you press X multiple times.
Huh.
You didn't find anything online? Ah!
I just said that once you've talked to it, you learned it, you should get dash.
I've always had dash. I'm trying to eat that fucking pine cone. Fight
At least you're
this.
fucking up that scorpion.
Yeah, let's do this, bitch. I will fucking kill you the natural way. Instead of having me fall into spikes.
Like any good creative deer does.
Yeah. Yeah. I didn't know that was gonna work, but it did.
Look at that. Slime bowl things.
I've gone too far now.
No,
I can't go back.
It'll cycle around.
Oh yeah, because this game has a habit of doing that.
Well, you're moving in. I'm not gonna fight it. You'll cycle back around.
This game sucks. What are you gonna turn me into now? Okay, at least turn me into something that can attack. Because I own the mindset to murder every... What? I'm a goddamn bear?
Holy Jesus.
Reincarnationist. Oh, and I can totally fucking attack. Oh, yeah. But I cannot jump.
At all?
Nope. I'm pretty fucked here. I basically have to find a way to die. Oh, I can't even!
Ah.
Why does this keep happening? Do you see that?
That you're dying, or?
No, I'm like sweating.
Oh, what the fuck? I don't even know. I guess because you're too big. Well, holy shit.
I will eat you. So what am I supposed to do?
I don't
Just
know, man.
wait it out?
Guess so.
Even more reasons I hate this game.
Because they punish you for killing things. Apparently. I don't know, man. I never got reincarnated as other shit.
Yeah, that's fair. Oh, but there's a bed of spikes over there. I could just kill myself. Oh, like that blue is going up.
What happens if you do reach that blue?
We'll find out.
Can you eat the plants?
Nope.
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened whatsoever. And I'm gonna... Yeah. I guess I just have to starve to death.
That's somewhat disappointing.
Yeah. This is really...
Wow.
Yeah, just fucking...
Ride the clock out, I guess.
Yeah, wow.
Well, I mean, I guess this has been Dear God Operatives. You know, if you like the game, please share your experience with us in the comments. And if you didn't, please share your experience watching this in the comments. Tell us the pain you went through.
Yep.
Watching us run right the entire time and turn into mischievous creatures that if you're a good person, you probably
like,
never
this might be a good game to fall asleep to.
I had a lot of fun with it on my playthrough.
You're starting to make me doubt your taste in games.
I mean, I had a good time.
I just
That's all
don't
I can say.
understand.
And we'll just go ahead and ride the clock out on this one until you die and then just call it.
I've stopped taking health.
What? You're still taking damage.
There we go. It's just becoming longer, and you feel like if your health was getting shorter and you're hungry longer...
They're trying to give you more time.
To do...
Give you a chance to turn yourself around and become a bigger, better bear. Spend your last seconds trying to kill that deer. I don't know, man.
Yeah. I don't think I can even attack it, though. Yeah.
Well. Yeah.
Yeah, will not let me, like, touch it.
That sucks.
Oh, thank God.
Dead bear. Dead bear. That you probably won't see next time on Co-Operatives. Good night, people. Or good day. Whatever time we post this.
Take it easy, everybody.
Bye.